All right, this is lesson 6.3, writing two-step equations. So we're going to write equations before we actually solve them. And they're called two-step equations because they're going to take 2 steps to solve. So there's going to be more than one thing in our equation when we write it. So here's the basic format. Now, not every equation is going to follow this format, but 9 out of 10, this is the way to go. We're going to have some kind of rate times a variable. And then I have a plus sign here, but it could be minus too. You just have to think about the problem if things are getting added or subtracted. So plus a base number, and you could also call this a start number. That'll equal a total. So I've got some problems down here. Let's just take a look at them. Instagram is going to start charging users next year. This is fake news, don't worry. They're going to charge 80 cents per post and a $20 monthly fee. If Greta is budgeted $79.20 per month for social media, which equation shows how many posts she can make? All right, well, I'm going to go back through here and look at the numbers. This 80 cents per post, that's my rate. That's how much for each post. The $20 monthly is my base fee. So regardless if I post a million posts or just don't even post at all that month, I'm still going to get charged 20 bucks. And then her total is her budget of the 79.20. So knowing that, even though this is multiple choice, I'm going to put it in the format and then just kind of take a look at which one matches and not worry about trying to get everything to match up on the first time I eyeball it. So rate times variable, that's 0.80 times my variable. I'm just going to use X plus my base number, that's my start, her $20 monthly, equals her total of $79.20. So now I can go back through and look at which one of these matches. Oh, right here. This is the one that I want. Okay, looking right here next door. The yellow cab taxi service is offering a sale to their customers. They are charging a flat fee of $3.33, excuse me, plus 93 cents per mile. If Winston has $73.08 to spend, which equation shows how many miles he can travel? Again, before I do this, I'm going to walk back here. Flat fee, that's my base. Per mile, this must be my rate. And he has this much to spend, that's the total. Still, not looking here, I'm going to go rate, 0.93 times my variable, plus my base of 333 equals the total that he has to spend. And now I can go back through and see which one matches to know what my answer is. A museum is holding painting classes for teenage girls next week. They're charging a $32 flat fee plus $4 for picture. If Lemon has $1,000 to spend, which equation represents how many pictures she can paint? So $32 flat fee right there. That's my base number. 4 per painting. That's my rate. And it even says that she has a total to spend. So right here, that's my total. Rate times variable plus base number equals 1,000. Right here, this describes Lemon's situation. Rosa earns a weekly allowance of $27. She started with 37 and now has a total of 550. Which equation could be used to find out how many weeks Rosa received her allowance? So weekly allowance, that's the rate per week. She started with, that's her base number, her start number. Total of 550. So rate times variable plus base equals total. Oh, what am I thinking? I got excited right down here. Sorry. All right, the last two problems in this video, they are ones that don't fit the mold. So which equation correctly models the following situation? 17 less than some number divided by 85 is 5544. The first thing I see is less than. I know it's a turnaround word, so the 17 isn't going to be the first thing. It's going to be subtracted after something else. And that's the number divided by 85. So here's some number divided by 85. And now we're going to subtract off our 17 is equal, so 544. So again, I'm going to write the equation and then I'm going to match it. I'm not going to do it the other way around because it's too easy for my brain to get lost in the middle of something. So I'm going to write down using the words I know and then look and see. Which equation represents the following situation? 3 times the number of bikes decreased by 7 is exactly 149 bikes. So 3 times the number of bikes. So 3x, because I don't know how many bikes, decreased, that's a subtraction word, by 7 is exactly, that's equals 149.